So that's upside down. Really fun. So this is really gross blondies. So and red and what you'll need will be flour and brown blueberry waffles. I like to call them wobbly waffles because I'm way too fast. Really excited because the screen is Hi guys, welcome back to Baking and Style. I'll be making I used to call them, and I still do, what in the world? Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to Baking and Style. Now a box cake, but for this, the recipe calls. Oh my god! Stop this screen. So first, what you'll need will be we're going to be making Lebanese menus. Hi guys. Today we're going to be making